Welcome to the review of Corsair K70 RGB OPX, the optical mechanical keyboard that has taken the gaming world by storm. In this video, we will discuss all the features and specifications of this keyboard, its design, performance, and much more. So, let's dive in and explore what makes the Corsair K70 RGB OPX so special. The Corsair K70 RGB OPX is a mechanical gaming keyboard that comes with Cherry MX switches. However, instead of using traditional mechanical switches, it uses optical mechanical switches. The optical mechanical switches are faster and more durable than traditional mechanical switches, making them a perfect fit for gamers who want a responsive and reliable keyboard. The Corsair K70 RGB OPX has a sturdy aluminum frame that gives it a premium look and feels. The keyboard is available in a black and silver color scheme, and the keys have a textured surface that provides a comfortable grip. The keyboard comes with a detachable wrist rest that makes it comfortable to use for long gaming sessions. The Corsair K70 RGB OPX comes with a wide range of features that make it one of the best gaming keyboards in the market. The keyboard comes with full RGB lighting that allows you to customize the lighting of each key. The keyboard also has 6 programmable macro keys that can be customized using the Corsair Utility Engine software. The Corsair K70 RGB OPX is designed to deliver high-performance gaming. The optical mechanical switches are incredibly fast and responsive, making it easy to execute complex commands. The keyboard has a polling rate of 1000 Hz, which ensures that the keyboard responds quickly to your commands. The Corsair K70 RGB OPX also has a low actuation force of 45 grams, which makes it easy to press the keys. In conclusion, the Corsair K70 RGB OPX is a fantastic gaming keyboard that offers excellent performance and customization options. The optical mechanical switches are fast and responsive, making it perfect for gamers who demand high-performance keyboards. The keyboard has a sturdy aluminum frame and a comfortable wrist rest, which makes it comfortable to use for long gaming sessions. If you are looking for a high-performance gaming keyboard, the Corsair K70 RGB OPX is definitely worth considering.